Morning students, we are going to continue with the theorems only, and here I have written third theorem, that is if a transversal intersect two parallel lines. So almost the same diagram, we are having two parallel lines, line L and line M, and a transversal intersect these two parallel lines. In these classes we are going to complete our all the theorems, and in our online Zoom classes we are going to complete our exercises only. So from here you can do all the theorems in your fair notebook also. So two parallel lines are given and one transversal line is given. So angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First of all, write what is given in the question. After, if this one is given, line M is parallel to line M and a transversal line that I have already drawn in the diagram. What we have to show in this theorem, two conjugative, each pair of conjugative interior. First of all, they are talking about the interior angles only. Now what is the meaning of conjugative interior angles? Conjugative means on the same side of the transversal line, and both will be interior angles. See students, don't confuse between the corresponding angles and conjugative angles, because corresponding angles same side on the transversal line, but one should be interior and one should be exterior. And in conjugative interior, both the angles will be on the one side, but conjugative interior, it means both should be interior. If they will talk about conjugative exterior, then the both should be exterior angles. Fine. So what we have to show, angle 2, we are not required here to show about the equality. We have to show that conjugative interior. So this one is the first pair and this one is the second pair. We have to show that these pairs are supplementary. Supplementary means their sum is 180 degree. In the same way, what we are going to show, for the one pair, and for the second pair we are going to use one word, that is similarly. So let's start the proof. No construction is required in this also. So how will we start the proof here? You can take any pair. Here I have taken angle 1 is equals to angle 3. Angle 1 is equals to angle 3. Reason is corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Why I have used the pair of corresponding angles equality? Because line L is given that it is parallel to line M. So we can use the equality of angle 1 and angle 3, but angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to 180 degree. Why 180 degree? Reason is linear pair. Linear pair. See students, angle 1 is equals to angle 3. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180. So here I am going to change the name of angle 1. I am going to put angle 1 is equals to angle 3 in equation 1. In equation 1. So angle 3 plus angle 2 is equals to 180 degree. We have shown for one pair that angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to 180 degree. Similarly, we can show that angle 6 plus angle 7 is also 180 degree. This implies each pair of conjugative interior angles are equal. Interior angles are equal. The same theorem can be asked for the exterior angles also. Means if they will change this interior word with the exterior, then also we can show the same theorem by just making some changes here. Angle 1 and angle 4. So here we will solve the question for angle 1 and angle 4. Angle 1 plus angle 4 is equals to 180 degree. Angle 8 plus angle 5 is equals to 180 degree. By using the same method, we can also solve for conjugative exterior angle. means conjugative interior angles are also supplementary and conjugative exterior angles are also supplementary. What is the meaning of conjugative exterior angle? Same side of the transversal line and both should be exterior. Fine. In the corresponding, one is interior and the other is exterior. So here I have taken 1 and 4 and 8 and 5. We have to show for them. We know that angle 4 plus angle 3 is equals to 180 degree. Reason is linear pair. And as L is parallel to M, this implies, can I say 1 is equals to angle 3? 1 is equals to angle 3. Reason is corresponding angles. Reason is corresponding angles. Therefore 1 equals to 3. तो 3 के प्लेस पे मैं यहाँ क्या रख दूंगी 1. Now put angle 1 is equals to angle 3 in equation number 1. Give this as equation number 1. 4 will be 4. 3 के प्लेस पे we will write angle 1 is equal to 180 degree. So we have shown that angle 1 plus angle 4 is equals to 180 degree. Similarly, we can show that angle 8 plus angle 5 is also 180 degree. Therefore, each pair of conjugative exterior angles are are supplementary. Please make the change in that last one also. Angles are supplementary. They will be supplementary. Make the same changes in the last part also, that each pair of interior angles are also supplementary and each pair of exterior angles are also supplementary. We can also use one short form for the conjugative exterior angles are supplementary. इसी बात को लिखने के लिए हम क्या वर्ड यूज कर सकते हैं? को-इंटीरियर एंगल्स. को-इंटीरियर एंगल्स. को-इंटीरियर एंगल्स का मतलब होता है conjugative interior angles. को-एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स means conjugative exterior angles. So we can use this short form for giving the reason. So this is about the co-interior angles are supplementary and how we have proven that co-exterior angles are also supplementary. Fine students. So we will continue with the theorem part only. Exercise we will do in our regular Zoom classes. So you have to follow the YouTube channel so that you can complete your theorem portion from the YouTube videos. Thank you students.